We are reviewing this JBL TUNE 125BT Bluetooth earphones in this video now. Hi guys, great day, this is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you will be updated every time we upload. And we are reviewing this JBL TUNE 125BT now. I will tell you what I think about this, and is it still good right now, and what are the things that I like, and of course the things that I don't like. So let's proceed straight to the review. Now, the earphones are not there because I already have unboxed this. Now, if you want to see the unboxing, what's inside the box, what are the contents of the box, please take a look at the description below for you to find out what's inside the box. So we have here this Bluetooth earphones. Now, this sticks to the old style that we have here, like somewhat a sporty kind of Bluetooth earphones, that it has still this wires, this elements right here. There you go. We have here the JBL logo right there, and also we have here the mic controls, the pairing, the power controls, the mic on off, and we have there the LED indicator, and also we have here the charging port. So if we're opening this, we have the charging port right there. Now this is already a type C, and this is more like the sporty kind of design, the one we have years back. And is it still good right now? So we have here this wonderful earbuds right here with the JBL color orange on the inside, this white plugs right here, which is, of course, you can interchangeably change this according to the size of your ears because it has extra ear tips when we unboxed it. So this is basically it. Simple design, and of course this promises a wonderful sound experience because it is JBL. If you can take a look at the box, it boasts a bass sound design right there. So when I tried it, totally you can clearly have that JBL experience that you've been looking for. Wonderful sound balance, and of course thumpy bass for those of you who want their bass to be clear, thumpy, and of course distinguishable from all the other sounds. I love it, the mixing, and of course it is purely JBL sound. So what can you say about that? And it also has this microphone right here. We're gonna do a sound test or a mic test on this video also. Hi guys, this is the sound of the JBL 125BT Bluetooth earphones mic straight from the microphone, and this is how it sounds. Now this is what you will hear when you have calls using this Bluetooth earphone. So tell me what you think. What about the sound quality? Put it on the comment section below. Sound check, sound check. This is the sound of the JBL 125BT Bluetooth earphones microphone. Alright guys, back to the main video. So we have there the microphone, the on and off, the pairing. Now this pairs easily with your devices. So all you gotta do is just turn it on and then pair with the new device. It then turns on, it gets paired, and it's good to go. Now I really love the way it sounds. I really love the way JBL promises that wonderful sound coming from this Bluetooth earphones. Now what I don't like is that it has still these wires right here. So for me, I think with this price point, by the way, this is priced near 2,000 pesos or 2,000 pesos or more. If you will buy such earphones or earbuds, or what do you call this, Bluetooth earbuds, you can already purchase earbuds without the wire. But of course, there are still some people who prefers this because they can hang this on their neck and it won't easily get lost. But for me, I think this is more like kind of hassle on my part when you have this on your neck. But then it depends upon your preference. So that's only one thing that I can comment about this Bluetooth earphones and nothing else. Because it is still functioning, it is still good, and by the way, they are still selling this on online stores. This is the JBL TUNE 125BT. Also, it does not have an application support. It just connects to your device. Also, it is still good at this time. So if you ask me, this is still good to go. for those who prefer the sporty type of Bluetooth earphones with wires. And that JBL sound is also good. Now, this is for those who want to have it, this style. And of course, maybe some of you will consider this because of the wonderful color way. Now, tell me what you think about this JBL TUNE 125BT. What are the things that I missed? What are the things that you would like to know? Put it in the comment section below. And this is Rai. Thanks for being here. See you on the next video. Bye.